The miniature turn signals from us in carbon fiber. This is how you mount them to the original front turn signal clamps. First you do is remove the original turn signal, taking out that screw. Remove the rubber insert out of the turn signal, and you're going to want to cut it down. At the second line, right here, and then the mini turn signal is going to thread inside that hole. So once back together, and cut, there's a metal shaft inside here that the turn signal threads will thread into. It'll go in by itself, but you're better off using a tap and die set. It's 8mm at 1.25. Once you thread in the turn signal into the original metal sleeve, you run the wires through, and here we've soldered up the original wiring connector. If you have one of the newer model bikes, you'll see that there's 3 wires and the mini turn signals only have 2. Typically you'll hook up the black and white, which is ground, to the mini turn signal black and white, which is ground, and the second connection will typically go to the turn signal filament on the original bulb, which is the other black wire. The reason there's 3 wires is because the original turn signals on the Suzuki S40 have dual filament bulbs, which means there's a running light and a turn signal light. We won't be using the running light. We're just going to have the ground and the turn signal hooked up to the new mini turn signals. When it's all said and done, there's the turn signal. If it's not facing the right direction when you thread it in, which this one actually is facing the right way, we recommend using either some red Loctite on those threads, or using some of that SEM glue that we provide. So a quick recap: original clamp, remove the original rubber stem from the original signal, cut it down, tap it out, insert the mini turn signal with some thread lock, 2 out of the 3 wires, put them on your fork tubes, and you're ready to go. You can visit rycamotors.com for more info. Thanks.